We all need breakthrough. We have hard situations. We have sickness in this earth. We have poverty and other very hard situations. We need breakthrough. But how? Some are waiting for breakthrough and never had experienced it. But there are suggestions here that I can share. A breakthrough in Tagalog, pambihirang tagumpay. In Ilocano, panakalukat. Mabalin siguro nga panakawaya-waya. And we need panakawaya-waya, panakalukat, at pambihirang tagumpay sa ating mga hirap, sa ating mga nararanasang hindi ka nais-nais, na nagsawa na rin tayo, ayaw na rin natin. The first is, call on the name of the Lord. It's good that we have a God to call upon. Pwede tayong tumawag sa Kanya kasi napaka mabuti niya. He is wonderful. He is omnipotent God. So we can call upon Him, trusting that He is going to answer us and give us breakthrough. Second is, pray for your breakthrough. Dapat ipagdasal, hindi lang sabihin na, di bali alam naman ni Lord. Dapat ipagdasal, at hindi lang siguro minsan, ipagdasal ng lagi. We have always to pray for our breakthrough. That we want it, that we want to achieve it, that we want breakthrough even in the sooner possible. Kaya ipagdasal natin kay Lord. Third is persistent prayer. Be persistent. Never give up in prayer. Never quit. Always trust. Pray persistently. May mga examples tayo sa Bible. Yung persistent prayer. Dapat rin ganun tayo. And then, next is have faith. Have faith. Dapat may pananampalataya. Sabi doon sa New Testament, though we have a small faith like the seed of mustard, pwede niyang ilipat yung bundok. And maybe our situation, our hardship is like that mountain. But through the Lord, us having faith, He can lift that up. He can remove that. Magkaroon tayo ng breakthrough. And next is, align yourself with God's will for the breakthrough. Dapat na iayon rin sa will ng Lord. Is it the will of the Lord? If I can have the breakthrough, will I do things that are pleasing to Him? Will I serve Him? Or will I use the breakthrough for His glory? Yon ang dapat isipin natin. So, number 1, call upon the Lord and then pray for your breakthrough. Then have a persistent prayer and have faith. Very important. And the last one is align yourself with God's will in your breakthrough. May the Lord help us to have a breakthrough. God bless you, friends.